effect controls and motion. What do we do next? We have a piece of editing. So, we will talk about the Effect Controls panel. The Effect Controls panel is located on the source window. As soon as we select a clip in the timeline panel, we see all the effects that are used on this video. By default, each video always has motion, opacity, and time remapping effects. Audio also has its own built-in effects. There are volume, channel volume, and panner. Let's take a detailed look at the parameters for the video. The first thing I would like to say is motion. This is all about frame movement. We can change any parameter that is highlighted in blue by holding the mouse and moving it horizontally and vertically. We need to click on the Reset Parameter icon to return the settings to their original position. At the same time, we can reset each parameter individually or completely. We have parameters such as position is horizontal or vertical in the frame. Scale, it varies from 0 to 10,000. The scale can be changed horizontally and vertically, and separately you need to disable uniform scale. Rotation is around the central axis. Anchor point. Anchor point, by default, is located in the center of a frame, but we can change it. Anti-flicker filter. When we work with a video with fields, then we can get artifacts by deforming the video. This filter washes two fields together. That is, if we set the parameter equal to 1, the two fields will merge into one. It's through with video quality degradation. By default, this setting is set to 0. It's fine, because when we merge two fields, the resolution of video is halved. Naturally, it's not very convenient for us to control the image from this panel, so we control it using the screen. They are not active now. But as soon as I activate the motion parameter, it becomes active. Now I can grab the corner to change scale. I can grab a frame and change its position. I can also shift the anchor point by grabbing the center of the frame. The funny thing about the anchor point is that it can be taken out of the frame. If I need to change the rotation parameter, I will take it out of line a little bit and start to control rotation. How does anchor point affect other parameters? When we spin a frame, it will spin around its anchor point. Scale works by same principle. It moves to the anchor point. For example, we can put it in a corner. It will spin like this. We can take the video out of a frame and make it appear like this. Also, the video can go even beyond this picture. It won't be so convenient to rotate, but in principle it's possible. See, it will rotate around a point that is off screen. That's all. We will talk about point interpolation and their animation in the next lesson.